Everyone has an opinion these days, but the truth is, most opinions aren't facts, no matter how much people believe them. In fact, you've probably heard your share of car maintenance myths. We sure have. Let's take a look at a few of them so you can have the information you need to make the best decisions about your vehicle's care. Myth number 1, you should change your vehicle's oil every 3,000 miles. While this may have been true in your grandparents' day, oil change frequency is different for modern vehicles. That's mostly because today's motor oil has additives and lubricants inside it that help it last longer. For most vehicles that are less than 15 years old, oil changes can be done every 5,000 to 7,000 miles. If you're not sure, check your owner's manual or talk to your trusted mechanic. Myth number 2, a car battery lasts for 5 years. A car battery can last 5 years, but it's more likely to only last 3 to 5. Other than quality, the biggest deciding factors affecting its life are your climate and driving habits. Here in Arizona, extreme summertime heat can cause the fluid inside batteries to evaporate, resulting in battery damage or reduced battery life. We recommend car battery service every 2 years to make sure your battery is in good shape. Myth number 3, you must get your vehicle serviced at a dealership to maintain its warranty. The truth is, you have a choice about where to get your vehicle serviced. If you have a favorite auto repair shop that provides top quality repairs at an affordable price, there's no reason to go to a dealership. For your warranty's sake, just make sure you keep good records of all maintenance done on your vehicle. Myth number 4, tire replacement isn't needed until the tread depth is 2/32 of an inch. Tread depth is an important factor to consider when deciding whether or not you need new tires. However, it's not the only one. You should also look at the tire's age. Rubber isn't meant to last forever and will certainly deteriorate with time. You may also need new tires if they wear unevenly, have bulges in them, or cause you to feel vibrations when driving. All of these are signs that your tires are wearing out and may need to be replaced sooner than later. The bottom line is, if you have any questions about your vehicle's care, your safest source of information is your trusted auto mechanic, not your friends, your relatives, or some random person's social media post online. At Good Works Auto Repair, our ACE-certified technicians will be happy to answer your questions and dispel any other car maintenance myths you may have heard. It's our job to give you the best auto repair advice based on your specific make and model. Then you can decide what's best for you and your budget. When you're ready for the best auto repairs in Tempe, provided with a smile and at a fair price, simply give us a call or schedule an appointment online today.